Hey there and welcome back. If you're working in sales or marketing and looking to automate your lead generation, you are going to love this one. In this video, I will show you how to connect PhantomBuster with Clay so you can build powerful and automated lead generation workflows that will save you hours every week. Whether you are enriching leads, searching to clean data, or triggering follow-ups, this integration can seriously level up your stack. Let's jump right in.
First, open your Clay dashboard and head to the top right of the screen where you can click on your name and then on Settings. Inside Settings, go to the Connections tab and click on Add Connection. A pop-up window will appear with a list of tools. Search for PhantomBuster and select it. Now we need to grab an API key from PhantomBuster. So head over to your PhantomBuster dashboard, click on your name in the top right corner, select API keys from the dropdown and click Create New API Key, and then copy it to your clipboard. Head back to Clay, give your connection a name, something like my PhantomBuster key, and paste the API key you just copied. Once that's done, click Save and Test Account. If everything's set up correctly, you'll see a green tooltip confirming that your PhantomBuster account is now connected to Clay.
And that's how you connect PhantomBuster with Clay to streamline your lead generation process. If you run into any issue or have any questions about setting this up, just drop us a comment below or directly in the PhantomBuster community. We will make sure to come back to you. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.